If somebody is suffering from black magic and his behavior is completely abnormal, aggressive and detached, is the wife expected to stay in the relationship? What if he will not grant her a divorce?
It's again another very problematic issue. I had few these type of scenarios in which lady was oppressed actually, but based on the fiqhi, you can say fatawa, I was unable to protect her. So for example, they say even for a lady can apply for khula, but then khula will not be valid if husband does not accept, So I would refer these type of people to speak to the consul, Sharia consuls. We have few actually, one in Birmingham as far as I know, one in London, to get protected. Okay, because local Maulanas, local Imams, they are unable to protect because they do not have any authority, but only they can give their opinion. So these type of situations have to be sorted by authorities, Sharia council, or maybe the local authorities, MPs maybe, who are in the, or social workers. So I advise them to get support from them.